Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix issue when microphone not working on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to fix, and in that video I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. And the first way is open up your settings and there scroll down until you find privacy, and there look for microphone settings. Right there, select it, and there make sure that you give Instagram permission to use that microphone. If that option is toggled off, just toggle it on. If that option was toggled on, you can toggle off and toggle on that option again to reset microphone settings. In some cases it may be useful advice. And there is one more thing that you can try to do is open up your screen time, because screen time is also controls your microphone. There select content and privacy restriction, and there select microphone, it's right here, and there make sure that microphone is toggled on just beside the Instagram, and you can toggle it off and toggle it on again to reset microphone settings, and then you can open up your Instagram and check if your microphone is working properly. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.